What's up? What's up? What's up? Happy Friday, man. Made another weekend to get this last day of trading in. The day looking bullish, so should not be a lot. A lot of trading going on. Portfolio is at $42,449.60. I am up $563.85. Look at my buying power, y'all. $10,111.42. It was at the 11 grand, but I put some orders in. Let me tell you why my buying power is so high. I told y'all at the beginning of the year that I was going to be being more aggressive on trading, swing trading versus dividends. Still gonna get my dividends, but I'm setting up trades. If you need help, www.patreon.com/thoughtswithgroove. Let's build a portfolio together. We can build portfolio together and trades together, side by side, $10 a month. But I sold all my MPW, Medical Properties Trust. I've been giving y'all that about 90 days ago when it was at the $3 range, $3 something. I was telling y'all it's a long-term hold for y'all like that watch my videos. Some of y'all don't watch them and some of y'all don't watch the whole thing. Like I tell y'all before, if it's an 18-minute video, it's an 18-minute video for a reason. If it's 18 minutes, you might want to watch a whole 18 minutes versus watching 4. If I want to make it a 4-minute video, I just did 4-minute video. But it's your life, your money, your future. You are the CEO of your own portfolio, and you are grown, so you can do whatever you want to do. You got to be 18 and older to set up a brokerage account, so we can both agree that you are grown. You're going to do what you want to do. Not saying I know everything, but with some of y'all that do follow me, I probably have a little more experience at trading than you do. I look at a lot of comments and stuff on the trades, and these people are out here trading like a chicken with his head. They ain't just cut off, man. Just like a feather in the wind, man. Just going whichever way the wind blow it. They ain't got nothing inside of what they really doing, man. Just getting out here trading and trying to swing trade and day trade and losing their shorts and everything. But sorry to go on the rant, but I sold MPW. I had 587 shares in this portfolio with an average cost of $4.71. I sold it at $5.01. I sold all of it. I had another 500 plus shares in my Cash App with a Cash App portfolio with an average cost of $3.38. I sold all that at $4.97. Some at $4.82, $4.97, and $5.01. And in my Weaver portfolio, I had 287 shares. I sold all that at $4.82 and $4.97. So I came up yesterday between all portfolios with a good probably $8,000 to $10,000. I know it's like $2,800 something in this one, I want to say, if not more. Other one was like I sold with everything. I sold probably about $10,000 worth. So, but look, my account balance, cash balance is looking kind of good now. Yeah, I told you I got my portfolio the way I don't have to put any more fresh powder in it. I got enough dividends coming in from high trading yields. I know when to get in and get out of them. And like I said, if you need my help, www.patreon.com/thoughtswithgroove. And we're going to get it on for 2024, man. All right. Crypto, I seen it did go up. It was at 64,000 last time I checked. And so it's coming back up, fighting back. But that don't mean nothing because ain't no interest rates have been cut yet. So it don't mean nothing. The more they start pushing that they not gonna do it, or they gonna do less than 3, the more the market gonna feel it unless they price it in. I actually thought the day would have been red, but you know, I guess they might be pricing some of this stuff in. Also, y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch recent videos, share my channel. Also, subscribe to your boy channel, man. Giving y'all all this game free. All right. I sold out of all my MPW positions. Reason being, I did a video on this last week on Medical Properties Trust. I did a short telling y'all, giving y'all a heads up. I gave you a heads up that the ex-dividend date was on Thursday. The record date is 2 days. I mean, the ex-dividend date is Tuesday. The record date is Monday coming up, which is the 22nd. The record date is always the day after the ex-dividend date. For you to get your dividends, you got to have your shares brought by the day before the ex-dividend date. So the record date is Monday. That means today is actually the ex-dividend date. You got to have your shares bought the day before the ex-dividend date, which was yesterday. I did a short on it. If y'all that follow me, and if you watch everything, like I say, I don't post nothing for nothing. I give y'all alerts and updates on the market, containing to what I'm selling. And if you know, people that got experience, every stock pulls back the day after the ex-dividend date. Once everybody got their orders in, okay, we can get our dividend before the record date. It always pull back on the ex-dividend date. Right on the ex-dividend date, it's going to pull on back from there on out. That's why you see today it went from 501 to right now at 462. Today's high was 490. On yesterday, it closed at 501. That's why I got out of everything. Yeah, I could have got 15 cents times 1,200 or 1,500 shares, but I made more money and profit by taking profit because I was up like a mother lover. So I got out. I can always buy back in, like I told you. In this portfolio, my average cost was 471. It's still at 471. But look how many shares I got. I got 1.83 shares compared to the 587 shares. So what I'm doing from here on out, I am dollar cost averaging back in. I got all that money back. I made 30 cents a share. And I'm dollar cost averaging back in now, because this will pull on back. And with all these wars you got going on and all that stuff, this going to pull on back with the rest of the market. That's why I ain't tripping on it. And then, like I told you, I need to bring my average cost down in ARR, Armor Residential REIT, ORC, Orchid Island, RYLD, QYLD. Those 5 stocks are monthly payers. And they pay a higher yield than MPW does. I need to bring those down. But I will just buy in this portfolio only MPW. Only in this one. I'm not going to spread it out anymore the way that I did. I'm just going to buy it in this portfolio here only. All right, let's see what it's doing. They got with 3M. See, 3M might... dividend might not be sustainable. They might have to cut it due to its all of the lawsuits that they have going on, which to me is fine. I want it to come on down. When everybody panic sell their shares, I'm gonna buy them. It's gonna be a long-term hold. Just because they reduce this dividend don't mean, or cut it don't mean they're gonna cut it in half. They might just cut it like by 10 cents a share, might cut it by 20 cents a share. You know, something like that, just to help them build some cash up to pay off that lawsuit, just in case, you know. All right, we got QYLD pulling on back. I got some buy orders here, but guess what I'm gonna do? And I'm doing in front of y'all. I'm gonna buy me 1 share every day. Well, this one here right at the bottom. I'm going to get $5 of this today. Actually, I just brought some shares today. I brought some RYLD today, too. This going to pull back to the $17 range. I already got a feeling on this one. I might go get 5 shares at what it is though now. You know what we're going to do? Let me get another 5. This going to pull on back. I'm going to nail it at that $17 range. I think I already, let me check right now with y'all on so y'all can see where I'm headed. And if you want to follow me. As you can see, I got 621 shares at $21.49, so I definitely need to come down in this. I don't have any in this portfolio. I got some in my other one, but I'm about to go there now. That's why I got out of MPW, so I can clean my portfolios up, man. I'm going in at $17. going in 50 shares at 17. Told you I'm going in hard. One thing about it is if it hit, I can sell them 50 shares at 17.05, 17.10, 17.25. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to lower my average cost. Got remember, I got 621 shares, man. So for me to make it go in half, I need to get at least 1,200 shares. But all I'm doing is reinvesting the dividends I got because I haven't brought any in probably the last year. So it's all good. Hawaiian Electric bouncing back. Hope y'all been buying the dip on that. So that's going to be a long-term hold, long-term play. Lumen Finance is a nice swing trade. You can catch it at $2.20. Which I got my order already there. 25 shares at $2.20. And with dollar cost average on down, I'm going to get some more EFC and all that. Today is a good day. I'm watching the market just to see what's going to happen. This pets, I need to get out of this. I need to start swing trading this one too to lower my average cost. But we're going to see what's up. Maybe it's not urgent right now. SBSW pulling back. They had a nice little run. It was over the $5 range. Where's we at? 385. Let SBSW do its thing. Get the dividend on that. GoRo up 9.43%. RYLD. I told y'all I did buy some of that today. Last couple of days, I bought 5 shares at $16.49, 3 at $16.30, 1 at $16.32, brought $16.36. I did I got a buy order for $16. It didn't trigger today. That's funny because it triggered at $16 in my Webull portfolio. I don't know what Robinhood on, but it's cheating me because I should have had them shares and it's 1611 share. All that should have been triggered today. So I got cheated on that. I need to come down with that. I got 372 shares. Got Nusi look like it's pulling back. I need to come down probably in this too in this portfolio. That's a monthly payer. Where else we gonna go? Alright. Carver State Bank went up to 175. Now that's pulling back to the 160 range again. Well, hell, it's at 156 again. I should have got out at the 175, all the stuff I was buying. I brought at 129, 135, 140, 144. But I start right again at the 150. This a long-term play. I already know this ain't gonna budge until after the interest rate cuts, which is fine. I'm gonna buy 5 shares every time. Let it pull on back. That's gonna be a long-term play that I'm a when I sell it, let it rip. Riverview Bank going back up, 439. I'm giving y'all this play for a while. As you can see, I've been buying that 413 and 402 on down. I've been buying this. Got down to 426 today. I'm gonna monitor it and see what it do. HNNA, I remember this was at 680. 685 is that. I want to catch it around about that 650 range. So I'm gonna just sit and chill and collect that dividend. GLDI, we know all commodities are up still. So we ain't got to worry about those. Hold on, y'all. I got to stir up this broccoli I'm fixing for these kids' lunch when I get them out of school. I got a hectic day today. I got to do and go Uber tonight. So trying to prep early. When I pick up them kids from out of school, make sure they straight, and I go do what I got to do. Daddy life, man. All right. We got OARK. All these are down. And we know we got to come and buy some of this. These are gonna get your monthly cash flow right. Gonna get it right for you. APLY, we know that's pulling on back too. Apple down. I ain't loading up on nothing because I would load up on Apple, but not the ETF. I'm just monitoring it. AMZY pulling back, which I know I don't need to buy any of that. Clip pulling back. I know I can get some of this. Where else we going? We are going. Coney pulling back. Some it went up yesterday. I want to say it made it back to the $24 mark, but it's pulling on back again. I know Coney not gonna get back to the to the mark I wanted at, which is that $18 mark. I know it's not, so I'm just going to start a dollar cost average on in it here. Coney paid a dividend last month, about $2 and something a share. This Disney at 1990 whatever. I'm gonna let that ride. AMDY, I buy share that every day in my Weaver portfolio, doing an experiment on that to see what happened. 1639. We can do something there with that though. You get $10 worth, lower my average cost. Where else we gonna go? AMD, well, that's AMDY, yeah. Sorry about that. Walmart as well. I can do something there with that. $59 range. Where else we going? We are going with NFLY. That's down. You got to take advantage of all these pullbacks and dips. Just pay a good monthly dividend. Also, because see, the reason I got out of the MPW, a lot of people going to keep it for the dividend. If I wanted solely for the dividend, I'd rather do a yield max because it pay about 100% more than what, a couple 100% more than what I think MPW dividend is like 8%. Something like say QQQQY TSLY is at like 80% yield. A little more volatile, but like I was telling y'all, if you when you tired of taking your losses, stop buying it and just reinvest the dividends. Let it bail itself out. That's one thing about dividend investing. You got to have a strategy. When you get tired of it, that's fine. Let it bail itself out though. This another one I added, IWMY. This paid a dividend. I'm gonna show you what it was. I got a payment for it. I think it was like 49 cents on yesterday. I'm gonna show you what it paid out. Was it yesterday? I think I did get a dividend on yesterday. I want to think it was this share. April 4th. Okay, that was the 4th it paid. It paid $1.07 a share. It's a nice one to have. There's dollar cost average in it. Don't you load up on nothing. When it's under your average cost, buy a little piece of it. Believe me, you got 30 days in a month, man. When it's pulling back, just throw a couple dollars at it. ULTY, another one pulling back. Now, see if I just buy a share of everything, I'll be around here looking dang crazy. The way these stocks pulling on back. I see how the dollar cost average down. Misty pull on back. Actually brought a share of this today at $29.21 in my thing portfolio, my Webull. I buy a full share at this. AIIY. Alright, we did that. I put a buy order on AGNC at $9.01, $9.01. That pays a 12 cents a month a share dividend. I got to get some more MetaFast. This for a swing trade for the future. Everything I buy at these prices, I'm going to sell when they get up higher. And ticker ABR. I'm about to go back in. I did get my 25 shares at $11.96. I'm going to hold it, but I am. They did lower the price target on this stock. Like right now, so I got 1 point something shares at $20. 3 shares at $12, and I did buy $11.96. See, $299, 25 shares. I'm thinking about selling it and setting it up for the next one in case it pull on back. But what I am about to do with y'all right here, you can follow me. For y'all that have made it to this video, you know how y'all do. But like I said, your money, your future, man. Another 10 at $12. $11.96. And what I'm about to do, show y'all how I roll. $12.68 is my average cost. I want to get around $12. I am history. What did I buy? 3 at $36. 5 at $12.11. That's 8. But 1.6. I'm gonna just count that as 1. 1, 4, 5 is 9. 9 plus 25 is 34. I'm going to sell 34 shares at $11.60, whatever it is now. I'm going to take that. Make me 72 cents a share. When it pull on back, I'm going to buy some more. Put it at $12.72 sale. How many shares we doing? 34. I'm gonna do 35 because I brought some make it an even number. Sell 35 shares, $12.72. And I'm gonna rinse and repeat. I like that trade volume on it. And that's what it is, man. Go get your money.